So the data set that you have is sound recordings made in the Madagascar rainforest. I placed 15 audio sensors in the rainforest for about 3 days, about 70 hours roughly. The recordings were made such that the sound was recorded for 10 minutes at the beginning of each hour. So the files that you have, each individual wave file, was 10 minutes long and is separated by 50 minutes with the next recording. So the first 10 minutes out of each hour. The file creation time does not indicate the local time at the time of the creation, or when it was recording was made, but that doesn't matter. However, if you do look at the file creation time, it does indicate the sequence of the order of the collection, data collection. The wave file is a waveform file, so it contains the raw waveform, which was sampled at 48 kilohertz and 16-bit signed integer. Because you're sampling at 48 kilohertz, the sound frequency that can be recorded is 0 to 24 kilohertz, which does span the range of human sound perception. Okay, not all of the data sets have roughly 70. There were some failures in some sensors, and you will definitely see files that have considerable noise in them. Okay, so that's kind of the basics of the data themselves. Now let me look here. We've got, when you look at the structure of the folders, we've got 15 folders, so they're numbered 1 to 15. Those are the different sensors. And if I just open up one of those, you'll see the wave file, and as I just scroll down there, there are going to be, oops, there. As I scroll down there, you'll see that there will be roughly 70 wave files for that folder. Okay, and then the 15. So also, if you look at each individual folder, the wave files are all approximately this 57.6 megabytes. So in total, this is about 60 gigabytes of data. Okay, knowledge discovery. That's what this data set is for. So then the question is, what are the sounds that were collected in the forest? So I'll tell you, these are the sounds that I know were collected. I've listened through some of this. You will hear humans. You will hear other animals. So these would be mostly insects, frogs, birds, bats, and lemurs. It did rain during the time that this occurred, and you will also hear thunder. If I did some testing of the timing of the microphones, and the timing that's set up for these is accurate enough that you should be able to do triangulation of the sound source if you can hear the sound in multiple microphones. These microphones were all set up within an area that was perhaps half of a hectare. So they're all close enough to each other. If the sound was loud enough, you could probably hear it in multiple microphones. And I think that's about it.